What's up, Copy Squad? It's your boy Kyle Milligan of KyleTheWriter.com, and today we're going to talk about how to learn copywriting, the two different ways to do so. So the first way is let's talk about how you can do it completely by yourself and in as little bit of time as possible. And I think that would be my 3 copywriting exercises. So the first one, read a piece of copy a day. So whenever you're reading a piece of copy, it can be an entire sales promo. I would say find copywriting from famous copywriters, or find copywriting that is currently converting very well or making a lot of money today. I think those are your 2 options. So the first thing, read a piece of copy a day. If you really treat it with respect, right? If you go to class every day for any other language or any other degree or any other college thing, why can't you read a piece of copy a day? So read a piece of copy a day, and you want to be looking through it actively. You don't want to just read it and absorb the material. You want to be actively reading and looking for 4 things in particular that I think are very important. I call these the big 4 emotions. In the book, Take Their Money, I go super in depth on this. But they're new, easy, safe, and big. And each of these has a joining multiplier attached to it, okay? And you need to be scanning the copy and noticing when the writer is employing these things, how they're doing it, what sort of language they're doing. And whenever you're reading a piece of copy, I say read the masters, read famous copywriters, or read something that's performing well today. So that's exercise 1, is read a piece of copy a day. Second one is write a piece of copy a day. And it can be anything. It doesn't have to be a sales letter. You can write, or it's write 1 page, okay? Write 1 page. It could be a series of emails. It could be a page of a sales letter. It could be a rough draft. It could be anything copywriting wise. I'll give you a little trick. Basically, you can take that same piece of copy that you were reading, and if you hand copy it 1 page and then actively read it and mark it up in the margins, you just took care of both of those. Easy peasy. But you got to do it daily. This is your homework. And I'd say treat this like a college student treats going to class. People want to become millionaires writing copy, but they're not willing to put in 1 hour a day. Right? So you have to take this seriously. You got to treat it like a professional language, which is what it is, man. The last one is number 3 is come up with an idea a day. And this does not have to be the big idea. Come up with an idea every day, and it doesn't have to be a grand idea that blows people's minds. Just come up with an idea. It could be a new subject line for an email. It could be a cool way to critique your funnel. It could be a new YouTube idea, all right? So every day I have to come up with this content, right? So I'm doing copy right now. I'm basically selling you on my way of thinking. Every time I get on the camera, I have to come up with content, and I have to pitch you my book. Go to KyleTheWriter.com/book, and you can really learn how to write words that really make you rich from my book, Take Their Money. So this is all copy, man. Everything you're getting right now, man, you're being marketed to, but you don't mind because you're also learning at the same time. It's all copywriting, right? It feels like you're getting something out of it. So that's it. So the 2 ways to how to learn copywriting. 1, by yourself. That's the slow way. 2, this is the fast way. Go to copywriting school. The copywriting school strategy is go get a job, dude. Go somewhere with some training. Go somewhere where you can get paid to learn. You can have the infrastructure around you to test, and you don't lose money. You don't lose a ton of time. And even if you don't have the grandest mentors right there at your fingertips, some places might offer, you at least have the infrastructure around you to fail fast, okay? That's one of the things that I fail on a daily basis, but you never see it because it happens within the walls of Agora, where someone can say, Kyle, I wouldn't run that headline like this. And I think another thing that people don't understand is that life is so long. If you really think about the last 12 months of your life, how fast that went by, right? What if you had spent those 12 months at Agora? What if you had spent those 12 months at a job learning the skill and mastering it very quickly and failing frequently? I think it would give you such an exponential boost on how quickly you learn. So check out the book, Take Their Money. It's at KyleTheWriter.com/book. And that's all I've got for today. Peace out, Copy Squad.